As the weather starts to get colder, one important task you don't want to forget is shutting off your exterior hose bibs from the interior of your home. This simple step can prevent serious damage to your plumbing and save you from a big headache later on. First things first, before you do anything inside, make sure to disconnect any garden hoses from the hose bib. Leaving the hoses attached can trap water in the pipes, which can freeze and cause the pipes to burst. Trust me, that's the last thing you want to deal with in the middle of winter. Next, you'll want to fully drain your garden hose. Just lay it out straight and lift from one end to let all the water flow out the other end. This step is crucial because any water left inside can freeze, expand, and cause your hose to crack. And that means replacing it in the spring. Not something you want to have to do. Once it's drained, roll up the hose and bring it inside to a warmer space for the winter. Storing it in your garage, basement, or shed will keep it in good shape so you won't have to deal with any nasty surprises when you go to use it next season. Now let's head inside. Most homes have a shutoff valve located on the pipe that leads to your exterior hose bib. It's usually found in the basement or utility room, close to where the pipe exits the house. Look for a valve that controls water flow to your exterior faucet. This is what you'll be shutting off. This cuts off the water supply to the exterior pipe, preventing any water from sitting in the line where it could freeze and cause damage. Once you've turned off the interior valve, go back outside and open the hose bib. This will drain any remaining water from the pipe, ensuring there's nothing left inside that can freeze. Leave the hose bib open for the winter. This allows any residual water to expand without causing pressure buildup. And that's it. By shutting off your exterior hose bibs from the interior, draining the lines, and properly storing your garden hoses, you're taking a few simple but crucial steps to protecting your home and your tools from the winter. It's a quick job that can save you a lot of trouble down the road. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out my Handy Homeowner online course. Stay safe, stay proactive, and I'll see you in the next video.